Good morning. Fiery Inferno. That's what we might get on the last day of the month, last day of the quarter. Well, at least from the pre-market, I'm seeing everything is flashing red. Yeah. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, Palo Alto. Let's take a look at some cybersecurity stocks. As always, I circle back to the key sectors every week or so. This was a loss as far as playing the put spread game last week. The position was looking good until yesterday, until Friday, and then it bombed out on me. Now, if I was playing Russian roulette and wait until the last, let's see how long does this last. I closed it out like lunchtime, right? I could have waited patiently and it would have been the winner. So sometimes that's what happened. Okay. It looked dire, but looked like it is weaker today, below 172.5. That's the thing about put spread game when it's close to the strike price. It's hard to tell. Okay, it's hard to tell. When this stock was down to the low was 170.77. Sure, do I think it's gonna hit the support ref low? Yes, it did. The question is, can it bounce? And I didn't think it could. So I closed out my 3 spread for a loss. I had 4. 3 of them was a loss and this small loss, but still, that's just an example of sometime if I was being disciplined, which I usually am, as far as waiting until 3 p.m., it would have been okay. That being said, this might pull the dip today can prove an opportunity to recoup that loss by selling put spread way down here, which I will. Okay? Which I will. Normally, when I have a stock, an option spread that is that close, and I close it out for a small loss, I immediately roll it into next month, and so I would like sell either the same or slightly lower spread for next month for a net credit, so that basically I didn't lose money should that expire. But in a way, I'm kind of glad I did. As far as not sell the spread right away, I didn't roll it. I let it expire. Well, I close it out, take the loss. Today, if I wanted to, I can sell the 170, 165 for a big chunk of credit and ride that out. But for me, it is safer to do something lower. Let's see what is lower. 167.5, 165. That might work. I might get at least 60 cents. Now, if I want to play extra safe, then do the 165, 162. I might get even 40 cents on that one, based on the opening and down. Okay, so I want to wait until it opens to see what kind of spread I get. But yeah, it can be done. It will be done. The question is, how much of credit can I get? All right, let's go through the other one. The snow came down to the 55th, ref low, bounce. I got my alert set here, which is the other big ref low. Okay, if that trigger, then I will look to sell spread at the gap fill. As far as snow, it has had a nice run, but that has been over since November. that big November pop. Nice move, but it is over. Crowd strike came down to the 38.2 fib, ref low, 20 MA. It's not gonna hold here. Okay, pre-market. I'm gonna put an alert here so that I know it is testing the 200 MA. And then I will look to sell put spread below. Easy peasy. Fortinet. I'm gonna put a alert here at not this ref low, because I think that that's a foregone conclusion that it's gonna get there, in my opinion. But I will put the ref low here. Not the ref low. I'm gonna put an alert here because to me that's the one that will really show that the stock has broken down. Okay, because once again you got that November pop, and then the retrace like halfway, and then it run. It never even get close to the testing there on that January day, and then it has not been there since. So yeah, I'm looking for it to test that. If that is tested, then look for the 200 MA below. We're not in a bull market, people. Testing, reaching for the 200 MA is well within the destination for many stocks. Many. Okay, so if you are still delusional to think that we got another year or two of a bull run, everything is fine, good luck. Okay, so last one. No, one more. Two more. OKTA, great run. Great earning pop. So I'm gonna put an alert right here. Right? If that breaks apart, then I think 50 MA, if not the gap fill, is within reach. I mean, it looked like a great 1 year chart, but come on. Okay, come on. This is a 3 year chart. It's pretty ugly. Okay, it's definitely not the best of the bunch. Okay, it's not the best of the bunch. Look at the 5 year chart. Nasty. Okay, that is just, yeah, it's coming off the bottom nicely, but still it's far from what it was 4 years ago, 5 years ago. You know, compared to, like, say, like Palo Alto. Look, that's Palo Alto 5 year chart. Okay, so yeah, make no mistake, OKTA, the 1 year chart look decent, but it is garbage. Fragile. That's two words that I love to play with. Fragile and garbage. All right, last one. This is the one that I really want to get into. Yeah. Sentinel-1. I talk about this. I've been watching. I've been waiting. Come on down. Okay, come on down. I'm gonna have my alert down here. Come on down. I certainly was not going to chase it in at this. When I brought this stock up, I think not a week ago, but before that, maybe 10 days ago ish. Yeah, it was over here somewhere, right? Sure, I missed the channel low. I'm not gonna chase it, and now it is halfway back. Okay, so let's come all the way back. See you at 17.5. We will rock, and then I will add a whole lot down here. This is the kind of spot where I could easily. Is there options? Is there options? Yeah, there is options. Would I sell a naked 17.5? The answer is yes. Would I sell if 17.5 put is fetching, say, 20 cents? I'm doing it. Okay, I am doing it at 17.5. If it's flashing 20 cents, in fact, I will put that order in at the open of the market, because yeah, I would buy 100 shares down here. In the process, we trust. In TA, I trust. All right, people, it's gonna be an ugly day. The end of the month, end of the quarter, we're gonna get the big flush. It's gonna be one ugly first quarter report for all the institutional managers. It's gonna be a fun reporting to the clients. We got beat up. The clients, all the clients gonna say, "You gave up all your gain for all of last year? What happened? I thought Tom Lee said that we are in a bull run." Tom Lee is about as accountable as the Democratic Party. Unaccountable mouthpiece for the institutional. Disgusting.